Hi, in this clip I'm going to show you how to create labels and add them to tasks. In Planner, we have the ability to create up to 6 different colored labels that we can then assign to tasks. It's a nice visual tool to help you sort of group similar tasks together. Let me show you what I mean. To create the labels, we have to open a task. Now, it doesn't matter which task because you don't have to necessarily assign a label to that task, but we're going to open it up. And up here in the upper right, you see 6 colored labels. And when we want to create them, add text to this label, we can go ahead and just click in that label and type. So I'm going to go and I will create several labels here that I can then assign to individual tasks. Okay. Now our labels are created and they're able to use on any task that we want. So let's go back to this one here, shoot live video. This is going to be an external label. So I will select on the color tab and you'll see it says enable label external for this task. You see I got that check mark? That task is now labeled with that red external label. You can see it right there in the corner. Let's go ahead and let's apply that same label to another one. So now you can start to see how this can be handy. Let's go to this one here. And let's assign it 2 labels. And now you can start to see how these labels could be helpful. Let me go ahead and add some more labels to some more of these tasks, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and you can see I have labeled just about all of these tasks. And depending on how you create the labels, what they are, and how you group them and apply them to tasks, this can be a really handy tool for you. Now, the thing about labels is labels are specific to a plan. These labels that we just created here do not transfer over to any other of our plans. They are strictly in this plan here. Let me go ahead and show you an example of another plan that has different labels. We'll go to the customer engagement plan. And you see I have some labels here, and you say, well, they're the same colors, but when we look at them, they are different. They are not the same labels that we had for this plan. And all the members of the team can also see all of these labels. Everybody who's part of the team can create labels, and everybody on the team can also see the labels. So now you know how to create labels and add them to tasks. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.